I will gift you.
What is
Don't
it?
worry. No, it's a secret. You know, even you have surprised me. When you came, you didn't tell me.
I
When you
told
bought
you.
land, no. When you bought land, you didn't tell me. So, surprise.
So I want to know the gift. Like,
No.
you know, guys, he told me, Arine, if you buy a land, I'm gonna give you something.
In fact, when I was telling you, I didn't know you are serious about buying land.
Because I told that I will buy a land before this year ends.
Yeah.
And you were like, Arine,
I knew you are not serious, but now I know you are serious. I will look for something for you.
okay.
Yeah. And you know this?
Yes.
What are they called? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj_KE, guys. And if you're new here, subscribe, guys. So we are here at the backyard of village grandpa and village grandma's residence, guys. We just yeah, our home is just there, and here is where we maybe plant food. We maybe we can take food from here. Yeah, we take food from here, of course. You see, we have some maize, we have some bananas, and everything you guys know from here. If you're new, maybe. So yeah, this is where we get our food. So guys, I once talked about these trees over here. Yeah, so this is a nursery of the trees. Yeah, this is how they look like. So these trees, I went to a seminar of which my dad sent me to go to the seminar, and what we learned there is like this kind of trees, when you plant them, they chase away things like birds and everything. So when you plant these trees, you are paid according to how they have grown. So it's for you to work hard so that they can grow. And guys, you can see also here, this place, we are planting also maize. We have sugar cane over there. Yeah, so this is our home, our beautiful home. I always call it a beautiful home because it's a home that it's very humble and everything, guys. It's not like I'm telling you but I believe some people who have come to this home, they know, guys. And here also we have these trees. They are now planted here, and trust me, since they were planted, I don't hear a lot of birds coming here. So, you know, they string maybe the maize or the any plantation that is here. So this is how they do it. You see, it's now kind of a fence. Yeah, so this is how they grow in a line. Wow, I really love the way we put it like this. So it's all around from exactly from the fence of village grandpa's residence. So guys, that's a project of also village grandpa. Yeah, he's really a good farmer, and also a person who wants to learn from everything. He does everything in farming so that he can know what to do and what not to do. He's a very good farmer. Exactly. So guys, these trees, they are here. This is what I wanted to show you. Yeah, they're here. I think these ones they're doing very well, and these ones also, they are still growing. I think we should have some weeds here. Yes guys, so that is all I wanted to show you from this farm today, because I really know you guys have been watching videos from this farm not every single day, but maybe single week. Yeah, this is our farm if you're new here, guys. But I know the people who have been watching me for the longest time, they know this place. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So guys, our small gate going in here. Yeah, exactly. Wow. So guys, keep on tuned. I have good things for you today, guys. Yeah, guys. So welcome again. We are here, guys, at a place where is very beautiful, very nice. This is not my first time to be here. I think this is my second time, or rather, I think third time to be here. This is a place that has a very beautiful view from this end, guys. You can see from here. And I don't know if you can guess where I am at. I don't know if you can guess from that house over there, up there. And guys, I'm not alone here. I have a friend here that I visited, and I'm so proud of her because the achievements that she has made this year, of course, like starting from traveling and acquiring land and yeah, great videos. Yeah, I'm really proud of her, and we will be going to ask her some few questions because of I'm surprised. I'm really surprised because even when she was coming to acquire this piece of land, I was not informed, and she didn't inform me because everything that she does or I do, we really communicate. But this one, she didn't. I don't know if it was to be a surprise. So, guys, with me here, I have Tara
Hi
Arine.
guys, long time. Hi guys, welcome to Maja_KE YouTube channel. It's been long since I appeared on your channel.
Yeah, so long.
But not long, just a few months ago.
Not few months, few years. Oh, few months,
Not
yeah.
years.
Few
Hey,
months,
we are
yes.
still in 2024.
Yeah,
Yeah,
of
guys,
course.
my name is Arine Boke for those who don't know me. And I'm also a content creator. I create videos, village content, traveling content,
Yeah.
and anything nice, just also lifestyle.
Yeah.
So today we are here. Maja visited me here today. I heard him saying that I didn't inform him.
Yeah.
I wanted
True.
to surprise you. I've never
So it's a
surprised
surprise.
you.
Surprise. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, she's a content creator
Yeah.
from our village here, and very nice contents, and a sister to make. Yeah. You know, always when I start my videos, when Maria she's around, you always
I
hear her
always
say
watch.
like subscribe to Arine and Mick. So this is Arine,
Yeah.
and we have her sister
Mick is still in school. Yeah.
So the last time I saw you, and also you surprised me. You didn't tell me you're coming from South Africa,
From South
Johannesburg.
Africa,
Yes.
Joburg.
How was South Africa?
It was cool. It was nice. That's a nice country.
Yeah.
We'll say that. Yeah.
What did you experience there?
People are so lively. I didn't have any hard time to make friends. You know, making friends as a content creator, that's a good that you have to appreciate.
Especially when you go to a new
different country. Yeah. So, and also the country is so developed. Uko ni kama majui, like it's America. It's a small America in Africa. Very beautiful, like jacaranda trees.
You didn't get lost.
I didn't get lost.
Hey, so you know some roads there.
I know, right now I know Joburg at least.
Oh,
You know.
Joburg.
Yeah, Joburg.
Wow.
You know,
I
when
really
I was,
like
I
to go
was
there.
when I landed in the, I didn't even know how to pronounce.
When you touch the ground,
I
you
didn't know how
touched
to
the
pronounce
ground.
the airport or Ruatambo International Airport. I didn't know how to say Joburg. But with time, I knew how to pronounce
Oh, it's not
things.
Johannesburg, it's Joburg.
No, that's a short form.
Oh, okay.
So I was like, Jongang.
Jongang. How long is the journey from Kenya to South Africa?
6 hours.
6 hours.
Yeah.
6 hours.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's when you are going direct. But you me, I had a stopover in Ethiopia because I was on a budget, guys. So I had a stopover in Ethiopia.
So that is
from
cheaper
here,
when you go.
Yeah, it's cheaper that way. When it's called a layover. Yeah.
Wow.
So you stop at Ethiopia like 2 hours, then you connect with another flight.
Wow.
Ika vile you exchangewa kwa matatu.
Oh,
Ukifika
okay.
kutoka Nairobi ufike Kisii uwekwe kwa another gari.
Yeah. I think for me, if I want to go now to South Africa, because you have said that you stopped over in Ethiopia.
Yeah.
I think I should go with a bus to Ethiopia while experiencing things down here.
Yeah.
Then from Ethiopia, I take a plane now to
Can it happen like that? Maybe they can allow you book a plane from
Nani?
maybe I don't
Maybe
know, but that can be really nice.
Yeah, it will be very nice.
Yeah.
So guys, she's back. She's here with a
like
big
I
surprise.
Never left, guys. I'm
with a
back.
big surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, this is the land.
This is my land.
How?
This is my dreamland.
Your dreamland.
Yeah.
How long or how?
It's 100 by 142.
100 by 142.
142, yeah.
Wow, it's so big. So big, guys, here. So what motivated you? Maybe you can just walk.
Okay.
What motivated you maybe to buy a land in Nyabohanse, or rather you yourself to buy a land? What motivated you?
First I would love to say this. Guys, you know, okay, I'm a girl, and some people will be like, why is she buying a land and she is a girl?
Yeah.
Me, guys, honestly, I've grown in a humble family where that I won't say that we had it, but we used to manage it from my parents. And I'm a girl like who my parents educated and they finished them, you know. So like even the place that we are staying right now, Maja, you know my home very well.
Yeah.
It's just a home. Like my parents sold everything to educate me, not me, also my other siblings. So me getting this land, it's a big achievement to my parents. And what mostly motivated me to get a land, I wanna bring a bright future. Like I want to see my parents now living a life that it's a good one, let's say digital one.
So being saying that, you want to build here a house for your parents?
That's my plan, yeah. That's my plan.
So you want your parents to move from
if God bless me,
yes.
if God bless me and I have money, you know, like we're just manifesting, I will build a dream house. Me, of course, like I don't say that I will get married one day because right now I'm a young girl, but I will get married. That's what even I'm praying to God, because why? To get married. I must get married. So I'll get married, but that can't stop me from doing what I want to do for my parents.
Exactly,
you know, So it's also my dream house. Also, it's my parents' house. You get me? Yeah. And also another thing that motivated me to get a land, like, you know, us girls in our culture, we don't get properties from our parents.
Exactly.
You try yourself to bring that
property to your family,
or to myself.
Parents,
yes. So us, like they value men's, like or rather boys a lot. Like you see, if my mother, like I was her sister, they will give her land, but they won't give me because they believe that I will get married and my husband will take care of me.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, but I don't want that, and again, I'm trying to recover what I was taking from my parents when I was in school. Yeah, so that it is. And also, like, I wanted to have a property, me, myself. Yeah. Yeah.
So, you haven't decided what you're going to do with this land?
Honestly,
right
I'm not decided, because right now, guys, I don't have money. Like, you know, just taking your whole...
No, I'm just saying about the idea of what you're going to
the idea is
here.
to build.
To build...
Yeah, to build
a home, restaurant,
a home,
hotel, a home.
Yeah.
Oh wow!
But before that, maybe I'll start be planting maize or cassavas, groundnuts. Then I sell for you. I get money, small. You
sell for me also as we plant.
No, you'll be promoting me.
Just for promotion.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I see also the cassavas are already
here.
This
one is for the landowner. These ones are not mine. And I have to be patient with them because I learned them to harvest very well. You know, this is something that I just bought. I can't just tell them, remove your things. I want to do my thing. So maybe by next year. Yeah. So I have to wait. They harvest. Yeah. And they feel like they're comfortable now to give it to me, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so that it is. That
is very nice of you. And don't do away with that tree over there.
Why?
Huh? It's very nice, you know, when you have a very beautiful home here and you have that tree over there. Maybe you can have a shade and put some lights maybe at night. You see the view over there.
The view is nice.
Yeah, very nice. Yes. So the land starts from
there.
Oh, from there, where the sisal is. The sisal are to up here, guys. Let's check up here. And also they have maize and groundnuts, I can see.
The place is so productive, I can say.
Yeah.
Fertile, I mean.
Fertile.
Yeah.
So normally here in Africa, or rather here in the village, we use like sisal to mark the land. Yeah. So you can see here. Yeah. And this one, guys, I really wanted to show you this one. This djembe. It's metal from up here to everywhere, so that it cannot disturb them, you know. The other ones, they have the sticks. They really disturb. So normally we use this to mark the land. And the last time, I think, guys, we were at Narok putting the beacons, you know. That is modern beacons. I think you should also put beacons, you know. It's easy. You can put one here and put one here and another one over there. Yeah, another one in the middle and another one at the end. Yeah, beacons are very nice.
I will fence it. Like I want to try and save.
Yeah.
Just a simple fencing, you know.
Yeah.
I will try and fence it. Yeah. Because you know these things we can't trust sisal.
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
Movable.
They can move it upwards or downwards. So.
Yeah, so that's what I'm trying. Even if I had money, I'll have fenced it even when the crops are still here.
Yeah, exactly.
Because it can work.
Yeah, it can work.
So, but I'll be coming back to check my land. You know, I'm still also in like, I can't believe. So I'll be coming to check.
It's like your dream. And guys, these toilets here, look at this. This is locally made. This is the toilet that the neighbors here of Arine, they are using. Locally made, guys. And it's also a bathroom.
Yeah, they bathe there.
Yeah, bathroom. And this is what they can afford here in the village, guys. So this is how they did it. So that means when the rain comes, you will not come to the toilet. But okay, you can use an umbrella.
Or a raincoat. But in the village, we don't have raincoats.
Yes. So guys, this is the beautiful place where Arine has acquired the land, and I'm really proud of you.
Thank you so much.
And I'm happy that you are a struggler. A struggler. Yeah. And here we have also beautiful flowers.
Remember you told me if I buy a land, you will gift me something.
I will gift you.
What is
Don't worry. No, it's a secret. You know, even you have surprised me. When you came, you didn't tell me. When you bought land, you didn't tell me. So, surprise.
So I want to know the gift. Like, you know, guys, he told me, Arine, if you buy a land, I'm gonna give you something.
In fact, when I was telling you, I didn't know you are serious about buying land.
Because I told that I will buy a land before this year ends.
Yeah.
And you were like,
I knew you are not serious, but now I know you are serious. I will look for something for you.
Okay.
Yeah. And you know this?
Yes.
What are they called? This is not watermelon.
It's called,
Yeah. It's watermelon, I think. No.
Minyabirondo.
Yeah.
In our language, it's called minyabirondo.
Yeah. So, this is watermelon.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this is watermelon. This one. This is watermelon.
Okay.
Yeah. And guys, also we have cassava here, which is grown, and I don't know why they keep it, because cassava is used for cooking and everything. Maybe they cook the leaves. Yeah, they pluck the leaves and use them for their meals. Yeah, so guys, and this place, no windows.
This is now my neighbor. She's the one who sold the land to me.
Oh.
Now we are neighbors forever. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is where she stays, guys. Yeah, and the compound is very clean, of course. Very clean. or you come and help them sweeping every day?
You know, every day I always come here. The funny thing is, like, I'm not, I'm still like, it's like when you buy a car.
You
You
drive
just
it
want to
every day.
confirm and, this is my car.
Yeah,
Guys,
true,
I know
true.
you will understand me. So I have to come and stand here
Yeah.
and look and admire
And
and I
say,
have
wow.
plans. I will put the house here. I'll do this, you know. But the only thing now that is disappointing me is money. I'll have start telling the, how is it called, those people that are arranging out to build the house.
Engineers.
Engineers.
Yeah.
I'll have already started talking to engineers on how to and draw my dream house.
Yeah.
But right now I can't do anything. Yeah.
So guys, here also Arine is a neighbor to Burundian traveler here.
Yeah, we are
Over
very
here.
close.
They are very close, and also we have friends over there, which they will be coming, and you guys will be seeing them. So here is Burundian travelers' residence over here. Very beautiful compound, very beautiful place, guys. Wow, I really love this. Yes, so I don't know if Burundian is around.
No, he's not around. I don't
Yeah.
think he's around.
He's not around. Yeah, so guys, if you're out there, you are a lady, what do you think about Arine's idea of buying her own land and trying to build herself a house, a home? What do you think about that? You can tell us down the comment section, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so with us also we had here, of course.
Hey, it's been long since I was in your channel.
Yeah, not long, like not even 1 month, some few weeks.
No, it was during
The celebration of baby
Oh
Maisha.
yeah, baby Maisha. Yeah.
How have you been?
I've been good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope you're doing good.
Of course, I'm doing very well.
Yeah, talk
Yes.
to my people here.
Yes, hi guys. My name is Paris. In case you don't know me, you can check me out on YouTube. I am _Paris, and today we are so happy.
Yeah.
Today has been a busy day for us.
Yes.
We've been moving up and down,
Yeah.
You know, and yeah, we are here. Please, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to Maja, kindly consider subscribing. And also, you can come check me out. I am _Paris.
Yeah,
Yes.
of course, guys, of course. You know, we live in this same village, small village, Nyabuhansi, but
Yeah.
we can
don't
even
even
go.
see each
Yeah, we can
other.
go even 2 months without seeing each other.
Yeah.
But we are always communicating
Yeah.
and giving each other ideas. So
Yeah.
today we.
The funny thing is, we're always calling each other, hey,
Yes.
we will meet.
Yes.
We will, and we never
and
meet.
we never meet.
Imagine.
You know, well, you can plan, then you have another plans.
Yeah.
You see.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, guys, we always meet, we always talk, we always converse, we always advise each other. Yeah, of course. So, this is my first time to Arine's land here.
Yeah.
What do you think about the decision that she made to buy a land?
It's a very nice and wise choice and a decision.
Yeah.
You know, because I think I was saying on Itembe's channel,
Yeah.
like we are people, like ladies have decided.
Yeah.
That monotony of saying it's only men
I
that
have
can
to
buy
do- yeah.
land. Nah, it's not. It's
Now
not like
it's
that
for
anymore.
you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Also, sorry. Also, ladies can also get lands
Yes.
and build and things move on.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Of course, I'm also so proud of
Yeah.
her because it's a very huge step and a very good step.
Yeah.
Of course, this year she has also tried.
Yeah.
She has traveled
To South Africa.
to South Africa. She has come back.
Tanzania.
Yeah, Tanzania. She has come back. Now she's owning a land.
Yeah.
It's a very big step.
It is.
You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what do you maybe encourage young ladies out there, or rather ladies who are like, they don't have to buy a land, maybe like sort of things. What do you encourage them?
I think I can tell them, like, let's do away, you know, because I understand most of we ladies, like we say, oh, once I get married, I will go to my husband's place. But also, I think it's good for you as a lady to have something
Yeah,
under you.
exactly.
Because I think, like, hey, where's that noise coming from?
I think people are playing football over there.
Oh, yeah. So, like, we are breaking that monotony of, like, let me be dependent on a man.
Yeah.
Like, you can do something on yourself.
Exactly.
By yourself, I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's
you
very
know,
important.
even if you get married, and maybe you get married to your husband, and he knows like, my wife has a land somewhere.
Yes.
He will always be proud, like, she's a hard working.
She's a hardworking lady and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, and stuff, you know.
And also, like, I think it also gives you some respect.
Yeah, some respect. Like, you know, a man also can say, you know, my wife is a very hardworking person, so I can't just yeah. And you know, also me, I believe when let's say for me, when I marry someone who a lady who has got maybe her own things, that will motivate me or make me to work even harder, because I will be like, how comes she has more than I have, you see?
So you would be like, I need to work hard.
Yeah, I need to work hard, even harder to to fulfill her dreams. And yeah, exactly. And we also have a building here. This neighborhood is very nice. I think this is Pablo's project.
Yeah, this is Pablo's project.
Yeah, very nice. A very nice house. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Very nice, guys. So people are building, people are owning lands in the village. The village now is growing. You know, it's not like the olden days when people were like, I can't build in the village. I just want to stay in the city. Yeah, people now are coming back at home, building houses, nice houses, like same as the city.
Yes.
Yeah, I can remember in the last maybe, let's say, 5 years or 3 years compared to this time.
Yeah.
I swear our village has really changed
It
a
has
lot.
grown.
Yeah, and youths have really relocated from the city to
the
village
Yeah.
because of the developments that are done here.
Yeah.
You see, like Paris, to be honest, Paris was living in Mombasa, but right now living in Yaboans.
Living in the village.
Yeah, we inspire.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
But then, because you know, village life is one of the best. But to be honest, village life is one of the best.
Yes.
The cost of living is not high.
Yes.
Like
Exactly.
it's the best.
Yeah.
And even for me, like I can say, that was one of the best decisions that I've ever made. Yeah. Because you see, like right now I'm here. I'm getting encouraged, I'm getting motivated to invest in things that make sense.
Yeah, exactly.
But
in
not
the city,
like, I'm not against people that live in the city.
Yeah.
But now, like, you find the competition there, it's not healthy competition. Because you're like, people are trying to compete, like, who is living in the best neighborhood, who is having the most human hair. But for me in the village, how many times have you gotten me with my 2,000 condos?
Yeah, exactly.
And
you're just free.
Because you want to invest in something that is very tangible and something that when you look, you're like, yes.
Yeah. And I really believe also when you live in the city for too long, you just forget your home.
Yeah.
You will just come home, you don't have a house, you don't have a place to maybe put your kids. Yeah, so I think when you come home, you feel like I have to get my own house here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it motivates.
Yeah.
And I can say what we trying to inspire, what we are trying like to do, inspiring the young youths who are out there working and forgetting about home. You know, youths right now, when they go even to Nairobi or Mombasa or the cities, they don't even come back even for 5 years. They see like the village, like those people, they are like washamba.
They want money from me.
Yeah, washamba. Yeah. So you know, right now they come and they get us. We don't ask for money from them.
Yeah, you have your own things running.
Your own things running. They are like.
So even for them, they feel like even me, I should go back to the village.
Yeah, and build our village. So I really believe we have really motivated a lot of youths.
Yeah.
They are back at home and we are building.
Yeah.
And also, you know, what you didn't know here in the village, YouTube has really reduced the pace of theft.
Yeah, crime rate.
Crime rate.
Yeah.
exactly.
Because
A
you're
lot.
something of your own.
Yeah, because you can do a video and get something from there. Yeah, so guys, this is Perry. I am Paris. Kindly go subscribe, check her out, doing amazing work.
Yes.
Yeah, so, and also don't forget, today we have Korea Festival. Korea Festival. Yeah, will you go?
I don't know. Because now, like, if they'll be speaking Korean, I can't understand.
No, they will be mixing. Of course, they will they will be speaking in Korea. Wow.
What
In
about
Korea.
What about the song?
No, we have artists from Korea who, like my brother, speaks in sings in English and Swahili.
Okay.
You see, so we have artists who, actors.
So how much is the ticket?
I really don't know, but I think 500 shillings.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. We shall see.
Yes. So guys, we just visited Itembe 001, and if you can remember, guys, the last time I was here, the last time I was here, I was the witness. I was the witness of this land. I was the one who bought this land, in short. Yeah, for Itembe 001. So I'm really proud. I'm really proud of him because he has done a lot. Since we bought it, I have never been here.
Oh, look at, like, you already have a borehole.
Yeah, borehole, have a toilet, and this.
Planted some sukuma wiki.
Imagine. Yeah. And this big house also, yeah?
Yeah, he's building a very nice house.
Yeah, very nice house, and a very big one. And he has another one there which is going to move in very soon. Yeah. We are going to check on it, and I'm really proud of him. Yeah. And I'm really proud of you guys who supported Itembe to this point. You know, it's God. It's God, prayers, and you guys. You know, if it was not for you, he could not be here today. And I'm happy. I remember the day that we were buying this land. Itembe and his wife, they knelt down here and they were like, I felt it.
Wow.
Like he was even telling me, like, I never knew I could own a land. You know, it was so emotional. But right now, everything is good. Yeah. Step by step, everything will be running well, and maybe someday he will invite us to housewarm.
Of course, by the way, and you know, also, like, for me, because even it's like I can say the whole of days, like, I've been with Itembe, because we started in the morning, because there is a piece of land that he was showing me there. Because for me, I'm at that stage where, like, I just feel like even if there is a family that I do talk to and they told me, like, Paris, when you want something, start speaking life into it. And how do you start speaking life into it? Like, of which, like, both of us and everybody knows, like, the rate of lands right now in Nyabohanse, they have really gone high.
Very high.
And so, like, this family, they were telling me, like, even if things are expensive, and I also know, like you have other expenses to take care of, like, start speaking life into what you want. It's a land that you want, start looking for it, and you tell God, when you find that land, you're like, yes, this is the final, this is it, this is what I want. And even if, like, I don't have that much money, let me just let it before the hands of God and tell God, you see, this is what I want, and God is going to make it possible for you.
True.
And I was like, since, like, that family spoke to me, I was like, it's about time also for me, let me start looking for land. And today in the morning, I came to check that land that you've seen just right over there. I came to check for it. That is not the first piece of land that I'm looking for. There is also another one that I looked, but right as I've said right now, like, the lands are really expensive, and I'm like, it's crazy. But I would love to have a piece of land and build a house that for me and my mom, you know, because it's only me and my mom. Like, me, I don't have siblings, I don't have brothers or sisters, but I have my mom. I have cousins, yes, that they are like sisters to me, but if I get a land right now and I'm building because of me and my mom. Somewhere I can just wake up and be with her.
Let me ask you this. Let me cut you short, sorry.
It's okay, no problem.
Like, you love Nyabohanse that much that you want to build your future home, you and your mom here? Or
I love it so much. Like I would love like just because you know my mom has been at home for a while now, ever since 2019 when the breast cancer started, and for the first time, for the second time back again in 2022. So right now, like she has been at home, and I would love to change the environment for her.
yeah.
I would love to change the environment for her, and she has lived in Nairobi, she has lived in Mombasa, and right now I think the best place for her to live is just somewhere in the villages, somewhere where like you can have organic food,
Yeah,
because I
very
wouldn't want to
cool,
take her
yes.
back to the cities, the noise pollution, the air pollution. I wouldn't want to take her back to that life. Like I would love like I just have somewhere where I can build a house, a nice one for me and her. We have our kitchen garden. I wake up in the morning. We have some sweet
take
potato.
sukuma wiki.
I take sukuma wiki from the farm. I make for her like organic food, and also for me myself, like that is the kind of life that I want for her.
Yeah.
Because you know, like when somebody like you can understand her because your sister has battled the same thing. So like it being that my mom is a cancer survivor, like I would love to be close to her, you know. So like that is one of the things that I'm looking towards to.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, those are good words from Paris, and I really am happy that you love this place and you want to embrace the culture here and the village people and everything, and to live here. I really believe this place is a good place.
It's a very good place.
If we all want to be like helping each other, and also like to grow the village, and also to be like speaking one voice, you know, we will really be there, all of us who are here, content creators. So guys, those are very nice words from Paris, and I'm really happy. So maybe you can go and join our friends. You're tired?
No, I'm not tired. It's only that we're doing another video, and them they're doing another video.
Yeah,
I
it's...
didn't want for the video to collide.
Yeah, and also we have this. They are called carrots.
Yeah,
These are carrots, guys. 001. Yeah. So they are really grown. The carrots here, guys. They're really grown. Wow, this guy is a real farmer. I think this place is so fertile. So guys, let's